welcome to my channel. This is the first of a long series about lectures on statistics using the R programming language. So in this series is different since we're going to learn statistics by using it or applying it in a certain data sets. So before we begin to learn statistics, we need to download first the software. So please go to this website, crun.rproject.org, okay, and download the specific R software for your operating system, such as Linux, Mac OS X, or Windows. After you download this, okay, you just need to go to RStudio here, RStudio, okay, rstudio.com, and then you click download here, and then you need to click here the free version. This is an open source version, and choose whatever operating system you have. Okay, after you install this too, you may wish to go to your installed application. Okay, for in my case I'm using Linux Fedora 33. Okay, and go to RStudio here. I've already set up the RStudio. That in this window you can see that I have here a new notebook, okay, and some outputs here. Okay, so we're going to use the notebook in learning statistics. Okay, so after you install this, so you just click file, okay, new file. So just go on here with R notebook. You click here R notebook, and it will provide you with this data setup. Okay, and just click in preview here, so you can see here the output of your statistical analysis. Okay, so after you finish installing this, please go to my next video so we can start learning statistics using R. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please click and subscribe to my channel. Bye.